Sponsoring LinkedIn marketing posts the right way. Hey there, everyone. Now that you published a LinkedIn marketing post, it is time to give it a boost and reach more people with it. And you can do this by using the self-serve advertising solutions that LinkedIn offers you. The most accessible advertising tool you can use is the Sponsor Now feature, which allows you to promote a post right from within the LinkedIn dashboard. In this lesson, we're going to show you how to access it and how to use it to boost your marketing post the easy way. Getting started. To promote a post, you have to publish it to your company page first. So let's start by creating a quick marketing post for a company update. First, go to your LinkedIn homepage. There, click on the Start a Post button. Now click on the Posting As menu button and select your company page. Then click on Done. Alright, now you are going to create the post. Start by adding the headline. Next, add the summary. Now drop or upload your backup content below. Now add your hashtags, and then click on Post. Great job! Now it is time to sponsor this post. To find a post to promote, you have to enter the company page where you posted it. For this, simply click on the Profile menu button, and then click on the name of your company page in the menu. This will take you to the company page. There, scroll to the company page feed and locate your post. And there you go! To start promoting a post, simply click on the Sponsor Now button. Creating the promoted post campaign. The next step is to create a campaign to promote this post. For this, click on the Go to Campaign Manager button. This will take you to the LinkedIn Ads Manager page. Because your company page is new, the first step here is to create an ad account to run advertising campaigns with it. For this, click on the Create Account button. Now enter the name of this ad account into the Account Name field. Next, select your currency. Now enter the name of your company page into the Enter Existing Name field, and select your company page when it appears in the results. Then click on Save. Great job! Now you're going to click on the Create Campaign button. On the following page, start by editing the name of your sponsored post campaign. Next, you have to select your objective. When promoting a post, you have to select engagement as the objective. Excellent! Now scroll down and select the locations where you want to reach users. Then select the profile language of these users. If you want to reach users according to specific targeting criteria, you can configure your reach using the criteria available in the Audience Attributes menu. Because we want to reach as many people as possible to see this promoted post, we're simply going to skip these settings. Doing so allows you to reach a broader audience. You won't need to edit the following two configurations, so let's skip right to the Budget and Schedule section. Here you are going to select how much you are going to pay to promote the post and when to start promoting it. First, enter the amount you want to pay for the promoted post into the Daily Budget field. Now select your schedule. You can select to run campaign continuously from start date, which means your post will be promoted right when you launch the campaign until you stop it manually. Or you can select Set a Start and End Date to schedule a different start and end date. For promoted posts, the best setting is to run the campaign continuously from start date. This setting will help you generate lots of engagement right from the get-go. Let's click on Next to save your campaign settings and move to the next step. Now you have to create the ad creative. Because you are going to promote a post from your company page, click on Browse Existing Content. On the following page, tick the checkbox in your page post card, and then click on Sponsor. Now click on Next, and then review your campaign settings on the following page. Lastly, click on the Launch Campaign button. And that'll be it! Your sponsored post will start running, and you will be able to select this campaign the next time you sponsor a company page post.